If you see even one of these red warning lights while driving, you need to stop, not tomorrow, not in 5 minutes, but as soon as it's safe. I'll show you 5 red dashboard warning lights that can destroy your car if you ignore them. Coolant level warning light. This symbol can appear in different colors: blue, yellow, or red. Each one means something different. Blue means the engine is still cold. Just wait before driving hard. Yellow means the coolant level is low. Check it soon. The coolant level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. If it's below the minimum, top it up. Never open the coolant reservoir cap when the engine is hot. While the engine is running, the coolant heats up to 90 degrees Celsius, that's 194 degrees Fahrenheit, and is under pressure. Opening the cap when the engine is hot may cause the fluid to suddenly erupt and result in serious burns. Correct way to do it: turn off the engine and wait at least 30 to 60 minutes. Only then, carefully open the cap. Refill with the correct type of coolant. Red means a serious problem: engine is overheating or low coolant level. Do not continue driving. Stop immediately. But overheating isn't the only thing that can leave you stuck on the side of the road. Sometimes the problem starts silently. This is the battery warning light. It's normal for it to come on when you start the car. If it stays on, there might be a problem with the alternator or charging system. You may notice dimming lights, loss of power steering, or other electrical issues. Eventually the battery will fully drain, and the car may shut down. You can check your battery terminals. Loose or dirty, that's the problem. Fix the battery terminals. If the terminals are dirty, you can clean them with hot water. If the battery light stays on, you can also measure the voltage with a voltmeter. When the ignition is on but the engine is not running, the voltage should be no less than 12.4 volts. The engine is running. If the voltage is between 13.7 and 14.7 volts, the alternator is working properly. If the voltage is too low in either case, it likely means the alternator is not charging. And even if the car is still driving, that doesn't mean your engine is safe. This symbol means engine oil warning. Red means oil pressure is dangerously low. Stop the engine immediately. Yellow or orange means the oil level is low. You should check it soon. Check the oil level with the dipstick and add more oil if needed. Now imagine this. You press brake pedal and the car doesn't stop the way it should. Brake system warning light. This symbol means there's a problem with your car brake system. Stop the vehicle as soon as it's safe and check the brake fluid level. You can find the brake fluid reservoir under the hood, usually near the back of the engine bay. On the driver's side, the fluid level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. This light may also turn on when the parking brake is on. In that case, just release it. If it's below the minimum, top it up. And the last light. Most drivers don't even know what it means, but the repair can cost more than the car itself. This is transmission warning light. It means your transmission has a critical problem. It could be overheating, low fluid, or internal damage. Stop driving immediately. Transmission warning light on. Don't wait, this is what could happen. If you see any of these red lights, stop when it's safe and show the car to a mechanic. Ignoring them can lead to costly repairs. And remember, a warning light doesn't always mean something bad. Just be aware of your dashboard, and everything should be fine. Here's the quick rule. Red means stop, yellow means check, green means okay. Subscribe if you want more clear, simple videos like this, and like the video if it helped you.